Welcome, fam. You don't feel sore, but you do feel off. Like your legs are dragging behind you or your body just hasn't caught up to the day. This stretch is for that stuck energy. Let's wake your lower body back up. Let's hit the mat. Tight hips and heavy legs can sabotage your stride before you take your first step. These lunges help you move with power instead of stiffness. Step your right foot forward, keep your front knee stacked over your ankle, drop into the lunge, squeeze your glute at the bottom. After 30 seconds, switch to the left side. You can feel a stretch in the hip flexors, activation through the quads and glutes. This resets your front chain and preps your lower body for better posture and smoother movement. You'll need this hip control in the next stretch when we move sideways. Can you drop 1 inch lower with control? Last 5 seconds. Are you lunging through your hips or collapsing into your knees? That just activated your stride. Now let's open the outer hips. This is your hips truth serum. If they're weak or tight, this will show you, and I'll fix it. Start on all fours, keep your core tight and lift one knee out to the side. Lower with control, alternate or stay on one side, then switch halfway. You're going to feel the deep glute and hip activation, core stabilizing to prevent wobble. This strengthens the muscles that protect your lower back and knees. It's simple but powerful. Glute mid activation from this one exercise can reduce knee pain and improve your squat depth. Pause at the top. Hold it. Now lower, slowly. Is your torso wobbling or are you holding it steady? That just unlocked your outer hips. Now let's move laterally. We spend most of our day moving forward, but life happens in all directions. This builds strength in the spaces we usually skip. Step wide to the right, bend your right knee, keep the left leg straight. Push off and return to center. Repeat to the left. Keep your chest tall. You're going to feel your inner thigh stretch, outer glute engagement, ankle mobility. You'll feel stronger and more mobile in your daily movements, especially during quick changes in direction. Let's stretch the front of the thighs next after all this movement. Can you stay lower as you go side to side? Are your heels grounded or are you shifting forward? That just built the lateral control. Now let's finish with a dynamic reset. This ties everything together. Flexibility, control, breath, and power. Start standing, fold forward and grab your toes. Drop into a deep squat, lift your chest, straighten your legs to feel the hamstring stretch. Repeat. You're going to feel your hamstrings will lengthen, hips mobilize, spine decompress. You'll walk away feeling taller, looser, and more grounded than when you started. Keep doing this every morning and your body will feel brand new in 30 days. Hold the bottom squat for 5 seconds. Keep heels down. Breathe. Are you feeling resistance or release? That just sync mobility and strength. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't progress, it's peace that lasts.